Under a Fading Sky by Shasha, 2024. In these times, beneath a thinning veil of clouds, we bear witness to an unravelling world where the pulse of life, once steady, now stutters. Each heartbeat is a reminder of what we've lost. The winds carry news of shifting skies, echoes of cracked earth, rivers running dry. Food, once plentiful, now whispers of scarcity, while water, like gold, slips between cupped hands. We watch as the ice retreats, ancient and silent, giving up secrets long frozen in stillness. Viruses and specters of old worlds released, spreading whispers of sickness in the warming air. Borders tighten, fists clench around fading green, nations retreat into shells, shadows of their dreams, grasping for safety in walls and fences, forgetting the vastness of the world we share. History, it seems, loops in familiar rhythms, the primal need to protect, to claim, to hoard. With all our learning and reach toward the stars, we still clutch at fear, stumbling over the same stones. Yet even in this twilight, a flicker remains, a whisper that speaks of another way forward. We see ourselves in each face and heartbeat if we dare to look beyond these narrow walls. One day, perhaps, we'll remember the earth not as a possession, but as home, shared and sacred. In the marriage of light and shadow, good and bad, may we find the strength to choose harmony over hate. May we, as a species, rise to this moment, learning to stand together in the fading light, knowing that even in darkness, seeds can grow and a new world perhaps waits just beneath. Shasha, 2024.